cousin's buddy's drift car, E46 M3, stock long block, but it has a E46 intake from an M50. It's gutted and it's set up for drifting. Pretty fun car.
Windows up?
It's up to you.
Like halfway.
Stock gearing?
What's that?
Stock gearing? The rear end is still stock, yeah?
Yeah. You're going to hear the diff, it's going to be a little louder because I have the
solid bushings, yeah.
I just welded
nice. This used to be a sunroof, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
It was so heavy. I think it's like 70 pounds.
It's crazy.
I took it off and then drove the car. It felt like a whole different car.
Sounds good too.
Thanks. Yeah, the rear springs have preload on them to help the car drift.
Yeah.
So it's kind of rough. Look over that bump.
Yeah.
And then I took the, actually no, over there, I want to call the cops, take a video. And then I got different top hats, they're custom made from SRS.
Yeah.
And they go out a lot wider. So then
oh, sick, the angle's pretty good.
Yeah, because before it was at like -5 all the time. I mean, I could go more negative, but obviously I didn't want to. I mean, -5 is good for like drift only, but right now the car's set up for track, so it's -2 front rear. But I mean, it still has the welded diff, so that's why I can start drifting.